Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Corolla remote battery. Start by removing the emergency key blade, then separate the fob halves with a small flat screwdriver. Gently lift the old CR2032 battery with a plastic tool to avoid damage. Clean contacts with a cotton swab. Insert a new CR2032 with the plus side up, snap the case shut, and test the buttons to confirm the remote communicates with the car. When the remote starts acting sluggish, check the battery before replacing it. First, press the small latch to release the emergency key and then pry the fob halves apart at the slot near the keyring. Keep track of how the old CR2032 sits so you can match orientation. Replace the battery, press firmly until contacts touch, reassemble the fob, and test lock and unlock to verify a good connection. Sometimes the battery is not the issue, so inspect the contact points and antenna. Clean contacts with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol and dry fully. Reseat the CR2032 and test again. If the remote still fails, try swapping a known good battery or check the car fuses related to keyless entry. When all else fails, reprogramming or replacing the remote may be necessary. Contact a dealer or locksmith for help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.